for your value, you're going to need black and gray. If you don't have gray, just use the black. And for this, we're just going to use white and black. So let's start with the middle. I've divided this rectangle into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces by drawing a very long rectangle and then dividing it into by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Now I'm going to start here. So my beautiful black coloring pencil. And I went one direction, and I'm going to go horizontal, and I'm going to go diagonal. This is going to be shaded in completely by the time that we're done. Do it again here. So up and down, across, and diagonal. Okay, for this one, I want you to do up and down, across. Kind of looks similar, huh? So now I want to make, I'm going to go up and down here again. Now this and this look similar. So I'm going to go horizontal this way. And I'm going to press harder. But only do that after you've done 3 of them. So now we're going to get lighter. So we're going to up and down. And then across. And that's it. But this and this look so similar. So you're going to fill it in, up and down. Very good. Now here, you have to get lighter. Go ahead and move closer to the white. And now you are very, very, very lightly. It's going to be almost white over here, okay? Now, all of these look very similar. So here, I'm just going to go across just barely. For here, I'm going to go across just barely. But now I'm going to go horizontal. I'm sorry, diagonal. And diagonal again. Now this is lighter than this one, which means I have to make this one darker. But now this and this are so similar, so make this one darker. And this are similar, so this one a lot darker. So that you see a gradual change from light to dark. And that's what we mean by value, from light to dark. Shadows, highlights.